Over time, your contact list can fill up with old phone numbers, duplicate entries, or people you no longer need to keep. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete contacts in Google Contacts, whether you want to remove a single contact or clean up several at once. First, open your web browser and go to Google Contacts. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all of your saved contacts. Next, use the search bar to quickly find the contact you want to delete, or simply scroll through your contact list until you locate them. Now, click on the contact to open its details. Then open the More Actions menu, usually shown as 3 dots. Choose Delete from the menu and confirm your choice when the confirmation window appears. If you need to remove several contacts at once, go back to the contact list and select multiple contacts using their checkboxes. Then click the Delete option from the toolbar and confirm the action. After the contacts are deleted, they'll be removed from your Google Contacts list and synced across your signed-in devices. If you accidentally delete someone, you can often undo recent changes for a limited time using the Undo option or the Restore feature available in Google Contacts. So as a final check, refresh your contact list or open Google Contacts on another synced device to make sure the contacts have been removed successfully. And that's it. Keeping your contact list clean makes it much easier to stay organized and quickly find the people you actually need. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.